Riyaz?
Good evening, sir.
Can you say the story? May I help you?
Yes, sir.
Come on, say.
One day, Madhav was walking to school. On the way, he met an old man. The old man wanted to cross the road. The road was busy with vehicles. Madhav asked the old man, "May I help you?" The old man replied, "Help me to cross the road, dear." Madhav helped the old man to cross the road on the zebra lines. The old man blessed Madhav and went away. Madhav was happy.
Very good. Nicely said. Claps, claps. Okay. Riyaz, who was walking to school?
Madhav.
Madhav was walking to school. Who met Madhav on the way?
Old man.
Old man. Who wanted to cross the road?
Old man.
Old man. How was the road?
The road was busy with vehicles.
Very good. What did Madhav ask the old man? Madhav old man ఏమని అడిగాడు?
May I help you?
May I help you? Very good, very good. Did Madhav help the old man?
Yes.
Yes. Was Madhav good boy or bad boy?
Good boy.
Good boy, because he helped the old man. Very good. Finally, what did the old man do? Hey, don't make noise. Finally, what did the old man do? ఏం చేశాడు చివరికి old man? Old man?
Old man blessed Madhav.
Very good. Blessed Madhav. Was Madhav happy?
Yes.
Yes. Have you ever helped anybody?
Yes.
Yes, you also helped. Very good. We should respect the old people. మనం పెద్దవాళ్ళని గౌరవించాలి. We should help the old people. మనం పెద్దవాళ్ళని ముసలివాళ్ళని గౌరవించాలి. And we should respect the blind people. We should help the blind people. మనం అప్పుడు గుడ్ బాయ్స్ అయిపోతాం, గుడ్ గర్ల్స్ అయిపోతాం, గుడ్ చిల్డ్రన్ అయిపోతాం. ఓకేనా? If you want to be a good child, you should help the old people and blind people, deaf people, differently abled people. Okay?